What is up, everybody? It is Matt with Mikey Designs. We have a tutorial on how to do a grayscale image on black t-shirts that requires 3 colors coming up. So here's what I'm talking about as far as the colors being and the information being burnt into the screen. So that way I know what screen goes in what sequence. Back. We're in the middle of production here. Shan, the shop gnome's doing her thing. I'm gonna go ahead and load all these pallets up, and then I'll show you how we go about printing a simulated process job, making it look like one color, but you're using a gray and a white highlight top print. You'll see exactly how that works here in one moment, and this is, we're at actual production right here, and I'm having to scream over the airplanes. Okay, so now we got all of our pallets loaded up. We're gonna take our white. We're gonna hit that twice. See how that came out? Now we're gonna go through each one of these. And then we'll get a little bit of a close-up of how this looks. So, I mean, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to do the gray and then the white, wet on wet. So we're running through these pretty quickly. We're at production pace, and this is the ink that I'm using this time around is One Strokes ink. It is the NPT ink. Okay, so now we're gonna do our gray. We're gonna hit that real quick, just do a quick flood. And then we're gonna do our white. This shirt may have been sitting over there just a little too long. I'm gonna take the camera off the camera holder. And you can see some of these little halftones going on with the gray. So you get that nice transition. So basically we put down that white.
Sorry.
It's fine. So we get that nice transition between the bright white. Here's the logo, looks nice and bright. The image was a little low res, no big deal. But you can kind of see some of those little halftones going on here. Close up, but when you're zoomed out, it looks really good. And you get a nice little transition going on, especially in these wings. So, I hope that's helpful, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, just even if it's a hello. Also, don't forget we're an official rep for Catspit Productions. So if you need screen printing supplies or equipment, use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.